Hi guys, let's make biggest jalebi. Take a bowl, in that add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, baking powder, 1 tablespoon of curd and food colors. Then add required water and mix it well. Consistency should be like this. Then put this mixture in a plastic bag or a bottle. Take a pan, add oil and keep it on a medium flame. And then make jalebis. See, this beautiful and delicious jalebi is ready. Now for chashni. Take another pan, add sugar and little water and keep it on a medium flame. And then dip jalebi into it and keep it for 30 seconds. And yummy biggest jalebi is ready. This is the smallest jalebi and this is the biggest jalebi. I made 2 biggest jalebi. If you like this video, then comment orange hearts, like, share, and if you are new, then subscribe.